guys, so babiyahe tayo ngayon sa Cagayan para sa drift event. So, yeah. So guys, good morning. So, nasan tayo ngayon, Chip?
Saan na ba to? Makakali tayo ito eh.
Nakalabas natin ng Maliko.
So, ayan guys. So, itong Sepiro 831 na to, dinala diretso. Drift car na binyahe hanggang ganito. So, ayan. Ito, naka-trailer na kami. So, si Pau, pinakamalupit. Yeah.
I need that blue white bitch on TikTok, chillin' T-Pot, 2 left feet, them Reebok. Shawty did freelance, now she a free that. Should've never let that bitch alone with my seat. My stand up bitch skipping, popping in my Reeboks, talking about a detox, pussy like a meatbox, all grown up, bitch, looking like Celine, not that booty.
Could've been 30, could've been a G. Should've never snitched, why you took it to police? Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street, looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like Wallow and Gilly with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I were on stage and a million gets made.
Alright guys, good morning. So, nandito tayo sa may Pagudpud. So, sa dulo ng Pilipinas. So, kung nakikita nyo to, walang trailer. Yung mga naka-trailer. So, ito, dinrive all the way to from Pampanga guys. So, dito nyo makikita kung gaano ka-reliable ang mga drift car. So, 6-cylinder yan. So, ayan, binailing nila yan. Diretso. Oh, yung gamit mo kompleto. Anis. Shout out sa driver. Ayan o, si Paulo Rodriguez.
Shit!
Ayan o, Paulo Rodriguez. Ayan yung driver niya. So ayan o guys. Kakatapos ng laban lang. So ngayon pauwi na kami niyan. So sumide trip lang kami. Ayan lang yung tangke niya, ganyan kaliit. So kada isang oras mahigit nagpapagas kami. Yeah. So ito yung auto na isa. Sayang. So tinamaan yung yung second gear. So palitrani. Ayan. Yeah.